Hand me down. Why is he around? Wop, 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 wop. Wop, 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 wop. You tired? Alright, where's Discord? Discord. Oh man, it's gonna lag so bad. Okay. Why did this pop up here? Oh my gosh, I am so disorganized today. Everyone. This jumping. Oh my gosh, okay. We almost there. Una cosa más. Por acá, mira, el Insta, a ver qué dicen. Wingers. Dímelo. I know I'm a little late. I know I am. But if you click the link right now, puedes estar aquí con el pana. Te veo soon. That's the ox. Hey, do I really have his stock? Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Hey, yes, 9. Hey. Ooh. That's his size, hey. See outside, hey. They're not like us. We ride the bus. Dímelo, Gerson. Dímelo, panita. Pana, ¿cómo andas? Esta vaina no funciona. Uy, no me funciona. Tengo que arreglar eso. Listo. Dímelo, pana. ¿Cómo estás? What's up? I'm really hot fixer. How you doing, my guy? When am I gonna spit some bars? Bro, I'll spit the bars in Spanish. Te lo saco en español, but not in English. Dímelo, Gerson, ¿en qué andas hoy, mi brother? Hey, this light look weird, doesn't it? It does look weird. Oh, you said code bars. Oh. I don't know, bro. I've never thought about that. How would one go about doing this? Show you the liar. Hey, y'all gonna have to bear with me. I do have a video I need to edit. If not, I'm not gonna meet my goal. But yeah. Te llegó la pizza. ¿Qué fue pizza de pepperoni? ¿Cómo andas, compadre? Bien, bro. En 10 minutos entro a clase. Uf. ¿En qué clase entras? What's up, Trigix US? Dímelo, Tigiri. Yo. What's up, Mono NZ? Appreciate the sub. Tigiri X US. You speak Spanish o hablas inglés? I mean, do you speak English o hablas español? Tigrix US. And step this way. Step that way. Yo. A ver, here. Solo me paso a saludar. Espero que tengas un buen stream. Me retiro. Gracias, pizza. Ojalá que estés bien, brother. Y gracias por solo pararte por un ratico, aunque sea. Yo, what up, Mono Z? Thank you once again for the sub, my guy. Bro, hey, this man has so much, what's it called? Experience, Mono Z. Bro, just reading the challenges you have to be doing with that bot. Kudos to you, my guy. Kudos to you. And it's dope that you've been able to do stuff like that. You sub because of the pickles. No mames, como dicen los mexicanos. Trigix US English. Oh, that's what's up. How you doing? Tigrix, I guess is the way we'd say Tigrix. What you got going on today? Are you an engineer? How was your day? What do you got going on? Tell me a little bit. You just came into the chat, so tell me a little bit about yourself. Not any type of bars, says Illis Preacher. No need for food, just to spit. Need to try them like functions in a while loop. Bro, you somewhere else, bro. that was legit. Cheers, bro, for the shades. You didn't sub for no damn shades. You didn't sub for no shades. You probably I bet you're not gonna help me, right? If I ever get into trouble, are you gonna use the save me? Probably not gonna save me, bro. Who's this? Is this not a product? This must be not a product. Oh, it is, yeah. All right, y'all. What y'all been doing today? ¿Cómo va la vaina? Nah, I'll be good today. No spins from this guy. Alright, we'll see. Se ve como lagueado. Uf. Am I lagging? Am I buffering? Un poco. Okay, déjame. I'm gonna have to quit Discord. Oh, she going hard, bro. No se ve así. Puede ser su internet. Brother, yo creo que he estado teniendo problemas con la internet estos pasos días, brother. Así que ojalá que no sea. Oh, hey, good call, bro. Espérate. My thing unplugged. Yo, Mr. JB. Me salvaste, brother. He was pointing out that the stream was so laggy. And it's because my power cord was unplugged. No tenía el poder, brother. Creo que ahorita se arregla. Dímelo, homita. Todo bien por acá, brother. Gracias por la música como siempre. No spins from you, but he still owes Who Cares YouTube and King Troop but one pick a shot each. Hey, if they ain't here, you know, I mean, I'm not gonna, you know, it's on them. They're not here, bro. They have to be here to redeem it, right? Dale, Gerson, ojalá que tengas una buena clase y ojalá que esté aquí después de que salgas de la clase, brother. Pero ojalá que lo pases bien. ¿No me dijiste qué clase era? Tengo unos puntos. Mr. J. Bean, te me tranquiliza, brother, por favor. No tenemos que ponernos a ese nivel de violencia. ¿Me entendés? Oh, mala mía, brother. Es que se me fue. Se me fue. Oh, estructuras de datos avanzados. Ah, mala vida. Mala vida. Brother, listo, duro. Entonces, pues aquí, cuando regreses, te vamos a hacer un quiz. Go. All right. I'm just waiting for the ad to finish because I'm trying to change the camera. Dale, brother. Yes, te me cuidas. Let's see here. Is the ad almost done? 1 second. Okay, 1 second. All right. Let me switch here real quick to this. And let me just try to change this real quick. I think this might be a little bit better. That way I actually stay in the middle. It was tripping me out. All right. And we can go from there. Cool. Then let's go over here to this and then we'll be straight. All right. I do have to wrap up this video real quick. If not, I'm not going to hit my goal. And as y'all know, I've been trying to put my daily goals. And I'm trying to wrap this up. And then after that, we're actually going to jump into setting up the App Store, which I did as part of my goal. I started the App Store. I just now need to throw in the Canva images and then try to upload the freaking, what's it called? The Apple build thing, I guess. So I can start getting test devices to test it. All right. So let's just wrap this video up real quick. My fault. First of all, my bad, y'all. I don't want to do this on stream, like for real. I just need to meet my goal. So, my bad. It's real nice seeing mods help the streamer. You mobs or something else? No. I mean, you trying to keep me accountable is what you're saying? How to turn down this volume? I don't want to be too loud for y'all. Okay, so it's a little too large. This JavaScript. Okay. Style. There we go. Too much. Cool. One day you should see if you can get some kind of live caption translating. I feel like I need two brains to follow the conversation sometimes. Oh, between Spanish and English? Yo, that would be cool if you could. I mean, is that maybe like an overlay? I wonder if that exists. Always holding him accountable for his pickle debts. Damn, bro. Hashtag hippo press. Okay. Hippo for press. Okay. I see. Y'all need. Okay. I'm gonna get y'all back somehow. We're gonna figure something out. Okay, this is wrong. Let's copy these attributes and paste it to these two. Three, actually. Did that? Sir, you need to censor the word Java. For real. The word JavaScript must be censored. Why is this not? Is this too big? Okay. Hold on, should I highlight that word? ¿Qué pasó? Que vi unos pocos de anuncios. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo así un poco de anuncios, compadre? No tengo tantos anuncios por acá. No sé de qué hablas, mi brother. Yo estoy bien, Pierre, yo estoy bien. Mira, tengo varias cositas que tengo que hacer. Uno es, o sea, estoy como que digamos, una meta es yo sacar un video cada día en Instagram por 30 días y estoy como en mi día 17. Y pues me toca terminar este video para poder sacarlo. Después que termine eso, me voy a montar a editar la página para el app en iOS. Y después voy a enfocarme en arreglar unas cositas en la app y lo soltamos. What's up, John Tudado? How you doing, bro? Boat, but more so Frozier. You, hold on, what? Oh, yeah. I mean, yeah, exactly. He is very, very, very late. Dale caña, constancia hacia arriba. Exacto, mi bro. Hay que hacerlo. Pero mira, bro, sígueme montándome esas cancioncitas que están duras. Las que estás eligiendo están duras. Okay, we're gonna want to highlight some of these. Unfortunately, we gotta highlight JavaScript here again. You know, we don't want to highlight JavaScript. And then we gotta, let's see here. I guess here. She say. See, this is the thing. I speak so weird, bro. It says she stay. So instead is what I'm saying. Oh my gosh, I speak so bad. So instead. Okay, there we go. Let's go back to the highlighting. But hey, but what y'all got? How was work for y'all? How was it going? Mano, is it the beginning of your day or is it the ending of your day? I think it's the beginning of your day, right? Yeah, well, y'all working on anything today? Hungry Hippo, I did see some of the stuff you sent. I saw some of the stuff you sent and some of the stuff Who Cares YouTube sent, but Who Cares YouTube is not here right now. And I wanted to go over it on the stream to see. Promote more Java on .NET, bro. Hell yeah. Damn! Dímelo, Eduardo, ¿en qué andas, brother? ¿En qué andas, mi brother? Python. Because like I have a lot of AI tools can be used with Python. All right, there you go. Because like a lot, that's redundant words. I mean, but that's how I speak. Fuck it. Can be used with Python. Let's see. Oli, buenos días. Listo, brother. ¿Cómo anda la búsqueda de trabajo, mi brother? I don't know what stuff I sent. I sent lots of stuff. It was the Bolt that new with Figma, the AI stuff. I know exactly, bro. I don't even know what I'm saying, JRCU. Sometimes I don't know what I'm saying, bro. Good evening, by the way. Good evening, by the way. Hope you're doing all right. Look, This type of video is gonna make me look like I'm cocky as hell because I have these shades on. And this is because y'all keep spinning that damn wheel. So I blame however I come out in any of those shorts and those videos, I blame it on all of y'all. So just so you know, I'm thinking about y'all when I make it. Can I make these caps? Do not. Can I make these caps? Do not focus on. Right, here we go. And then we're gonna highlight. Highlight. Do not. All right, cool. Oh yeah, Bo's chance at redemption. Yeah. You caught me on my way to the gym. All good. I just can just be in your hair, in your ear, not here. Oh my gosh. All right, dope. So I think we can just throw in a little music. And actually, I'm gonna experiment. No, I'm just gonna do music. I don't want to get too crazy on this. Let's do like some chill hop. You come needs a sombrero. No, I don't want to. Z, calm down. We don't want any spins. Remember, I mean, you probably already have shorts with a sombrero on already, so this would be the most noble short, bro. You are correct. Look at this. Look at this. And yeah, if y'all not haven't followed me, look at it. Look at this right here. I have the sombrero on. Y'all remember this? It still scares me today. I look so dumb. But it's y'all. It's because of y'all. Yeah. It scared the hell out of me. But yeah, anyways. Oye, cada transmisión subes unos 3 followers. Hey, brother, ojalá que sea así. Porque mira, ahorita dice que ¿cuánto tengo? Perdí uno. No sé. Ojalá que siga subiendo, brother. Vamos para los 1000. Vamos a llegar a los 1000 y después de los 1000 vamos a llegar a los 10,000, ¿cierto? Sí o sí. Sombrero and shades. I know, bro. Where's the one of you doing the pickle shot and getting scared? That's my favorite. That is so. Here's the thing. I've been contemplating if I should post the one where I'm taking pickle shots and where I'm driving like and I get scared. And the reason why I'm scared of doing that is because I have a feeling that for some reason, like my luck, what's gonna happen is one of those videos that I release when I'm taking the pickle shot, it goes right viral, and then everybody comes here just to see me take the pickle shots. And I don't know if I can do with that, bro. like that would be yo, I don't want to invite that type of because y'all got me crazy. Look at this. I've drank this much already. I'm surprised I'm not green yet.
Looky.
Yo.
Looky. Look who is on chat. FR0 Zaire mentioned to me that he did not drink at all tonight because he was going to be drinking on stream. For the health and wellness of FR0 Zaire, we should make sure that we keep him hydrated. What do you think?
Do not answer that, y'all. Do not answer that, y'all. Do not answer that. Everyone already comes here for that. You famous in Italy. I'm Maryland, so bro, that is crazy. I'm still trying to find that video, bro. Yeah, I know. Nobody needs to talk about what Carl just said. Nope. What's up? Just kidding. How you doing, man? I don't look thirsty, bro, and we haven't even hit the hour, bro. Have we? We haven't even hit the hour, right? 21 minutes. All right, just y'all don't drive me crazy here. Let's just find the beat here so we can actually listen to music. But y'all need to chill out. Come on, music load. Future beats. I am well. How are you doing? How rig is the wheel tonight? the wheel is never rigged, bro. It's never rigged. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, I'm doing great. I'm doing fantastic right now. Matter of fact, it hasn't been like a whole hour yet, so I'm feeling peachy. After the hour mark, though, I have a bad feeling that it might change. So I hope you don't stay around to see what happens at the hour mark. This beat actually sounds dope. I like this. Okay, there I can like silence it. I wish it would have dropped. Okay, it drops here. So we can maybe do something like this. You need a video with a sombrero and a zarape with the Colombian colors, bro. Yo, you don't want to catch me with that, bro. Then ¿dónde viene tu nick? ¿Cómo así, mi brother? Mi nickname. Oh, el nickname Frozier. Brother, eso significa, o sea, cuando yo jugaba bastantes juegos, right? O si sigo jugando. Hay como se dice como en inglés, oh, that person is too cold. Or he's so icy cold. O sea, que está bien, es como un decir, como decir que ese tipo es un bien hijo, bien duro. Y pues eso significa como como frozen, como congelar. Y entonces era un tipo muy duro, como congelando el aire. Por eso se llama Frozen. Es un nick muy estúpido. Pero salió de jugar videojuegos. I have a board meeting to attend to in 20 minutes. I would try to come back after. Okay, man. Well, good luck with your board meeting. As long as, hopefully, y'all are not discussing anything about pickles, dear. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, like that. But we're going to cut it off here too. Facts, just kidding. Facts. That's exactly how I got my nickname. I was so cold. I'm still cold, though I haven't played in 3 weeks. I'm still cold when I shoot the mid range, and that's why I'm Frozer. Facts. Todo tiene un origen, sí, mi brother. He got the nickname. That's funny because you used to bring your Switch to work, and I hear they would kill you in Smash Bros. Bro, no. I mean, Victor would kill the shit out of me. Victor was super hard. He was tough. But everybody else, nah. I mean, I played as a Mega Man and don't fuck with me, bro. Yo cuando jugaba Counter-Strike, mi nick era Silver Surfer, pero por los cómics. De hecho, lo tengo tatuado. Duro, brother. Hey, tírame una foto por el Discord para que lo podamos ver, brother. El tatuaje. And there we're going to up the volume a little bit. I like that. Okay. Quick compound clip. We're almost done, y'all. Promise. I'm almost done with this. Then here, cut this off. Boom. Something like this. Then boom, bring up the volume there. Right? Let's see here. Okay, we can actually bring down this whole volume. Come on, bro. Tengo una recién hecho antigua. Te lo subo por ahí. Listo, brother. Yo, can y'all see my face? It looks... Anyways, I'm self-conscious about this shit. All right, I like this, but this volume sounds a little too loud. Let's bring this up to maybe like 2.5. I think would be a good number. 2.5 dB. I love video editing because of Ameripon. No, Ameripon. That is not the rule, bro. That is not the rule, Ameripon. No, sir. Bro, no, who cares you to? That is not the rule, bro. That is not the rule, bro. No, y'all are breaking the rules. That don't work. No, hell no, hell no, no, bro. Y'all, that is not the rule, bro. That is not the rule. No, no venga con esa vaina, bro. No. Nope. Y'all gonna have to wait, bro. Y'all gonna have to wait. Pepinillo a tope, bro. Es que la regla es que no se puede utilizar por la primera hora. Bro. Look, you can only spin after the first hour. Bro. I don't know. What do you mean, chat? Everybody agreed to those rules. Even they agreed to put a new reward to save me from a pickle shot. You know what? I'm going to redeem that real quick. Hold on. There you go. Oh, man, I love these rewards. They're so awesome. What? I can't? Where's the move I can't? Bro. Yo, hold on. You can't spin that on me, mono Z. Bro, come on, man. Oh, listo. Ahorita lo chequeo, bro. Me dejas que lo suba al stream. Who writes these rules? Why do they always favor you? When does chat get a benefit? Chat gets a benefit. Right now, I owe Who Cares YouTube one pickle shot from last stream. King Troop, I owe him one pickle shot from last stream. But y'all gotta respect the rules too. Like, we said with the first hour, no spins. Listo. Sí, brother, ya estamos ahí por terminarla. Mira, más bien, brother, te tiro el enlace si quieres para que me lo puedas testear. Checar, mira. Un segundito. Let me put this up here. I think this should work. No? Después te lo paso, brother. Pero sí. You might pay for that save from Pickles later, bro. Don't say that, bro. Put it up for a vote. When did you make the rule up? Redeem cat, bro. All right. Hold on. All right. Okay. We can make it fair. All right. We can make it fair. We did say the first hour, no spins unless they're for bits, right? Then we said from the second half on at that 1 hour mark is all hell breaks loose, right? We did do that. I don't remember when we did that, man. I can't answer this. I'm not good at arguing, bro. Okay, Ameripon, that's the rule, and that's it, bro. The first hour. But here's the thing. Since it was Who Cares YouTube, I'm gonna redeem it for you, bro. Las reglas están para romperlas. Bro, no te pongas en esa, mi brother. Ahora los estás apoyando a ellos. Mírate. LOL, nah. But on a real side note, I posted somewhat of my deployment pipeline in Sharing Hub. I made a video for someone who wasn't tech savvy, so I apologize. Bro, Who Cares YouTube? I actually mentioned about you earlier today because I did want to check out the video, maybe on stream. So I'm glad you're here, and maybe we can take a look at that. But let me finish this video first. Let me take your pickle shot. I mean, all right, chat. Should I grant him that pickle shot? Should I allow him to have that second pickle shot? JRCU, you're new here. You came into the rules. You didn't have to agree it. All right, I'll grant it to him, but at the hour mark. All right, at the hour mark. How about that? I'll do. It's been 31 minutes since I'm on. I'll do one now and then at the hour mark. We're good with that? Thumbs up. I thought you had to redeem the sable for the first hour till the lovely mod re-enables it at exactly the 1 hour mark. That was the plan, Mono and Z, but I thought that was something that was going to happen automatically, and clearly it did not. So I would have to take a look at that next time. Yeah, that's exactly what I tried to do. Yeah, Hungry Hippo. Yeah, I did, I guess. Did that. Also, when did we agree that he can pickle shots? If we didn't agree to that, then I would say he broke the rules first, making any agreement null and void. Bro, JRCU, you're supposed to be my friend, my homie, and then you come up here and now you're agreeing with the chat? Like, what the hell, bro? That's some type of like, I don't know, bro. How is it being rigged, Mono and Z? I said I would take one now and then one at the 1 hour mark. Just do whatever you guys want. I was just bringing you back down after you put the shades on. Damn, bro. This man, he's like, I just want to see you down. I just want to see you down. That's it. Yeah. Get out of here, JRCU. Get out of here, bro. Let me wrap up. Let's man. I ain't no punk. I ain't no punk, bro. Y'all can't punk me out. Y'all over here. I ain't scared, bro. Yeah. Y'all think y'all almost got me. Y'all must not know who I am, bro. Come on, man. I ain't no punk. Come on, bro. This is easy money. This is easy money. I mean, we are talking about Frozier, so just wait another 10 minutes and we're gonna get some new magical rules soon. Bro, that's not, no magical rules. All right, bro. Who cares, YouTube? Thank you for this effing pickle shot. I don't know, bro. I hope when I try to watch that YouTube video, that YouTube goes down and I can't watch it. This is for you, my guy. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa centro, pa dentro. Amén. Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro. I think I saw a tear. Did he throw up? Bro. Yo, bro. Y'all are wild, fam. Y'all are wild over here. Mi brother, eso estuvo mal. Pero esos no son claras de huevo. ¿De qué estás hablando, mi brother? Ooh, I like that, man. I feel like a DJ. Okay, can we add a little effect here? It's like a little effect, like a big. I don't know. Tiene mal color el pepinillo. Brother, sí, brother. Es que mira, el pepinillo, brother. Sí, tiene un color pero tremendo. Más bien no sé cómo no me he puesto de ese color. Con tanto de que tomo. Okay, this looks decent. Maybe.
Listen up, chat. Frozier and his butt buddy Hippo make all the rules behind Outbacks, and it's considered a majority or just monarchy. Pickle shots will soon be a thing of the past with Hippo and Frozier doing their thing.
Don't hate. Don't hate, just kidding. Do not hate. Oh, shoot, that was too... No, we don't want that. Can we control the zoom distance? Range? Oh, no, this is horrible. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this and that's it. Hey, Hungry Hippo, just kidding, hating, bro. He don't talk about all of the man. Don't. Okay, I don't like that. Maybe. Oh, that was kind of cool. I'm going, y'all. I just want to wrap this up. Okay, maybe I don't put anything. I don't know. There we go. There we go. Let's try this. Nah, I don't like it. Okay, we're just gonna take this off. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Maybe I just zoom it in a little bit and that's it. I think a quick zoom in would be good and then that's cool. Like scale it up a little bit. Yeah, till here. Gonna snuck when he's the only one who gets banned for redeeming pickle shots. Hey, just kidding. Is his days are coming to an end. All right, let me just up this scale here. Right. Okay. So we're gonna make this all the way here. Then we're gonna copy it, paste it, and bring it all the way here. Oh, yes, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. I need this. Woo! Now I have some anti-pickle juice. Oh, yes. It takes away the flavor. So, and guess what? Y'all are gonna spin here at the hour mark, and I bet you, you know what we should have? We should have a segment before the 1 hour mark where we place bets on how many pickle shots we're gonna get. You know what I mean? So that way we can see how, and then maybe you can earn rewards. I don't know if you bet right. Tequila, you bet 11 then. Whoa, that's all you got? I like it. Que bien me cuidan, sí, brother. Aquí me tienen hecho, o sea, me tienen como un bebé. Casi. No, mentira. Here's where we need to jump it. Here, and then this one. Yeah, like this. There you go. See, and there. Oh, there. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, and I think the text is in my face, and then that's it. We just bring it down a little bit, y terminamos. I already don't have any points from the wheel spin. Bro, why do y'all think my wheel is rigged, bro? Like, I'm not a scammer, y'all. I am not a scammer. All right. The volume gets a little too loud. Let's bring it down a little bit more. Maybe 3 dBs instead. 3.2. Yeah, I think this is better. Can we bet how much? No, bro. I'm not gonna end you. No, I'm not gonna owe you no pickles. Look, I only JRCU. I only hold on to pickle shots for people that leave before the stream ends. So I mean, if that's the case, bro, then I mean I could just throw those pickle shots away. But no, I'm being nice. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'll hold it down for you. I'll put it in the bucket. And when you come back, I'll take that one for you. Like the one I just did for Who Cares YouTube. And I have another one that I owe him here. And bro, I'm not a scammer, bro. I have a scam emote because y'all keep calling me a scammer, but I'm not a scammer. Bro, y'all something else. How am I a scammer? How am I okay. All right, I think this volume needs to go down some more at this point when it drops here. So let's just put a little point here. Point here, and then at this point we'll bring down the volume a little bit. Listo. And then this kind of went out too quick. Dope. All right. No, cabrón. All right, there we go. That should be good. Didn't someone go all CSI not too long ago and do a comparison of how much smaller the pickle Verdine got on the wheel? Yes, that was Ameripon with his. I don't want to say what I want to say in front of y'all, but yes, Ameripon did that, and you know what? Why it changed? It changed because I added new things. Like I added the burpees, I added the candies, I added the like it's because I added things, so I need to adjust it for it to be right. You know what I mean? Like, come on. I can concur. Fraser isn't a scammer. Thank you. In fact, let's make it fair. Since I spun ahead of time, consider the one you took as the one you were going to do last time. Then no second pickle shot for me. My guy Who Cares YouTube, thank you so much. Well, yeah, I appreciate that. See that's a nice gentleman. Thank you so much, bro. That was definitely before the candies, but it was when I introduced the burpees. So that's two negatives against me, right? The burpees and the pickle shot. So that's why I had to recalibrate just a little bit. That's all. I am not like shutting it down on purpose. Every time I add something, I bring it down. No, come on, bro. No. All right, let's get this out. Let's just add a cover. And do this here, and I already have a text that I've been kind of doing. Python versus JS. Python or JS, and then we make this acá. Lo ponemos a 60. Python or JS. Okay. And then we're gonna fix these colors. It looks all weird. I know purple looks. I saw a green with white earlier, and I thought that looked cool. Let's see if it will look cool. No, it don't look cool. It's okay, Hungry Hippo. You don't need to know what he's talking about. It's okay. It's okay, bro. Don't listen to him. Oh no. Oh, I can add this to my brand kit. I didn't know this. Bet. Okay, so now it's gonna be way easier. Okay, got it. Let's change this though. And we can keep it like this. Python or JS. Here, let's make this bigger. I see. I guess. It looks kind of funny. That's all I'm going for. It's just funny looking. All right. No! I'm gonna change the green, bro. Just because you said that mono is Z. Hell no. We changing this color, bro. We changing that color, fam. That's crazy. No. I am not the PP. Yo, I told my wife this the other day and she busted out laughing, man. I told her I was like, y'all are calling me Pickle Poppy. Y'all are calling me hashtag PP. And she busted out laughing, bro. Tremenda risa que le dio. Okay, I like this, maybe. Cool, let's save that. And then I forget to add one more thing. She's on your side. No, she told me don't be taking all that sodium. All right, I'm almost done, y'all. I promise. I'm almost done. Need to add this in. No. What the hell? Where is this at? Why is it so big? Bro, where is the thing? Did I not put it up? Oh, refresh. Here it is. Cool. Whew! I got scared there for a split second. Adjustment. No. Video mask. Remove. Wasn't she the one that got you those dirty pickle dishwasher shots? I mean, yeah, it was her. You got a point there. I mean, is she watching my streams and siding with y'all? That better not be the case. That better not be the case. Bro, why is this not working correctly? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see here. All right, and then I do remove, and then if I do this from the background. Oh, it's chroma keys, what I want. Here we go. Get rid of this mask. Remove background is not what I want. This chroma key here, and then I'm gonna do this. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right. Sorry, y'all. Whew. All right, cool. All right, so I need to get this one out today. I need to schedule it, release it today, because if not, I'm not going to meet my deadline. So I am not going to do that. That's going to take me like 30 seconds. But in the meantime, we're going to open up the App Store. We're going to take a look at the App Store. Mono and Z, if you're still here, my boy, I'm going to need to ask for some help. Maybe you can guide me through some of the stuff I'm trying to do. We're going to open up Canva, and then we're going to, bring out the stuff and start uploading the App Store. Ooh, lunchtime Friday, 5 more hours till the weekend. Hell yeah, bro. Shit, I forgot it's Friday for you. Today's still Thursday for me. I am gonna laugh if she's the one calling for him to do more picker shots. Bro, it better not be her, bro. I would be crazy. I was just thinking she's probably spinning the wheel too, bro. Probably. Pardon me. It's Friday, bro. I envy y'all so bad that it's Friday. Hopefully. Soon. 24 more hours and we're done. Yep, I'll be here watching you and the F1 out the window. What do you mean the F1 out the window? Is the race close to where you are, bro? Look, I wouldn't say I'm an F1 Formula fanatic, but I'm a fan of the show. To me, the show is amazing. Yeah, I know, but like, so are they racing in front of you? Like, are they doing are they practicing? Is it like an event that's gonna happen soon? What the? You gotta send us a picture, bro. You gotta send us a picture, Mono and Z. Come on, bro. I know, Hungry Hippo. I'm right there with you, bro. One more day of work. Pero por qué? ¿Por qué? That's crazy, Mono and Z. That's pretty dope. By the way, I forgot to check something out. Mi brother, Juanita, todavía está por ahí, brother. Let's export this really quick. INO. And then we're going to say today is the 13th. Let's trade jobs. I don't want mines, bro. I'm sorry you feel that way, bro. I am sorry you feel that way, my guy. All right, I did see here your stuff. Who cares YouTube? We'll check it out. Está bien, Juanita, te veo duro, brother. Silver. Oh, I guess he's not here anymore, Juanita, but okay, now that we have this out, let me go ahead and upload it and exit Canva. I mean, not Canva. CapCut. All right, sorry, y'all. I'm all over the place right now. Oh, you still here? All right, who cares, YouTube? Yeah, I'm going to check out your YouTube video here in a second, bro. That way, maybe you can explain to me some stuff while we take a look at it. I have the link up here. Are you okay if I play this on the stream, first of all? I'm looking for some stuff here down here. 1 second, y'all. Clips 2025 March 13. Okay, now I need to open. Sorry, I have a whole process, y'all. I'm going through ChatGPT now. I gotta tell it, okay, give me because this one already knows my stuff. Boom. Then I go up here, copy my captions, throw my captions in here, and then put that while that's going. I open Metricool. Then I just kind of reload this. Yeah, I voice changed, so you should be okay. Bet. Thought I sent this out a while back, but I wrote earlier on, colon for today, I gotta code some projects. Sorry, I'm kind of lost, El Espricha. It feels like you colon for today. I gotta code some. Am I overthinking this? Is that like? Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Bet. I can't quite see it, but I can hear it. But a few helicopters hovering around today. Oh, that's crazy. I see. Got it. That's funny. So, okay, I forgot to post a post today for Instagram. So I am just gonna post it right now. Let's do here for, is it 8:30? Yeah, we're gonna get this done pretty fast. Where's Finder? Finder's here. Drag and drop the video. Okay. Then we already have, this is for YouTube short. We're gonna say for Insta. Okay, we can do for both. For all three actually. And then let's just go with ChatGPT. Instagram. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm almost done. Sorry. Hot take. Stop learning JavaScript. Here we go. I like this. No, is it a hot take? Would y'all say that's a hot take? Maybe. I think this weekend it is. Do we do sirens or fire? It doesn't matter. Let's do like this. All right, hot take. Yes, I think this weekend there will be a PR for the website for the new design. Oh, dope, bro. Thank you so much for the help, man. Hell yeah. Only 3 minutes to finish before you get distracted. Bro, oh my gosh. I actually disagree with it, but in a different mindset of it. But we can have a convo on that one day. Okay. Bet. Hot take, learn jQuery instead of React. Bro. That is definitely a hot take. Look, everybody and their mama is picking up JavaScript right now. Competition. That makes the competition. Competition. Oh my gosh, competition. Yeah, that's right. Insane. I can't type, y'all. But Python? That's where the real opportunities are. AI, automation, machine learning, Python, amazing. About tech. 2025 and beyond, Python might be the better move. I don't want to debate people, but I like this. And then let's just get me my title real quick for YouTube. I always change this title, so it doesn't matter what it is. Just name it Python or JavaScript. And tags, we can put some tags. I always got to copy all of this. Yep, let's do this. What are we missing here? This needs to be a reel. Okay, and we can then schedule this. Still mad you recommended Python and not Java or .NET. No. The question was Python or JavaScript. And then that's my take on it. When somebody asks me if I should use Python or JavaScript. At the end of the day, I do believe it's probably be better if you focus on .NET or if you focus on Java. I think Go might even be better, but if we're talking between Python or JavaScript, I think Python is probably the better way to go. If not, you tell him squabble up. Squabble up. The irony between my disagreement is I find more value in learning to program Python. Yo, for real, bro. Why you gotta start it? Why?
Got him! Got him!
I love Python, but to be able to deploy and ship it is JavaScript. I mean, I'm not familiar with the Python on how to deploy it, so I can't comment here. Better to learn the process. Gotcha. It was meant to be, bro. You are my, what's it called? Damn. Sorry, I got sidetracked. I saw something and it threw me off. You are my mod, bro. Why are you doing this? You are my mod. You're not supposed to be doing this. Give me like 6 minutes. Getting gas. Who cares, YouTube? Don't get... All right, okay. For me to listen to the YouTube video. I got you. Let me know when you come back. All right. Let's go ahead and release this. 99. We're not going to release it to YouTube, though, and Instagram and TikTok. We're going to release those tomorrow. So we'll duplicate this. Put it for the following day for now. We'll schedule it there. And we'll do this and delete these two. And we'll schedule just this one. All right, and then this one, we're gonna move it. Take off Instagram. Actually, yeah, we'll leave this here and we're gonna edit it by network. And then here we'll edit. And we will paste, we'll copy and paste this stuff. Bro. ¿Qué está pasando acá? All right, here we go. Okay. And then these links need to change. Sunshine, my only sunshine. Hey, Hungry Hippo, let me just post this and then I'll take your damn pickle shot, bro. I can't believe you, man. You're my mod and you put me in this predicament. Me, you're gonna have to have a serious conversation, my guy. You and I are gonna have a serious conversation, bro. He says, I'll make you a deal. Pickle candy instead of a pickle shot. Bro, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, Hungry Hippo. The pickle shot does seem easier to deal with than the candy. I'm not gonna lie. Because the candy is quite disgusting. I gave a little piece to my daughter and she was like, hell no. She ran from it. So I don't know, bro. I'm thinking about it. OP, he is your OP. He's not my OP, man. Hungry Hippo is not my OP. I'm just kidding. This is the duplication. Okay. So let's see here. We're gonna then put for this guy. Yo, you know what's pretty cool? One of my videos. Yeah, check this out. Check this out. One of my videos, first time ever, right? One of my videos hit like 1.3K views. But guess what was the topic of the video? It was about how high is the cost for you to develop as an Apple engineer. So I had quite a few people in the comments trying to defend and just call me out about the fact that it is their platform and they can do they can do whatever they want, which I agree with them. They can. It just doesn't mean I gotta agree with the prices that they put up, which are ridiculous. What if I send you pickle tequila? Would you take that instead? Bro, like, look, the only way I would take pickle tequila is, I don't think I would take pickle tequila, bro. That just sounds bad. No. I'm a pain in his butt is what I am. Yes, you are, sir. Yes, you are. Okay, let's just do the TikTok one. Let's say we put it around here. Let's try this. See if that works. Or actually, let's try it at night. See what happens. And that's it. I'm done with the social media stuff. Hey, brother, no he escuchado esta canción, pero está dura. No he escuchado esta canción, pero está dura. Bro, this should go hard. All right. I got that video there set up. We have Apex code here. And now I'm pulling up for sure the Apple Play. Let me log into this first. I'll make it 1942 with a pickle in it, bro. I'm okay, man. Para nada. Mi hermano ex case, bro. Se escucha duro el tipo, man. Se escucha duro el tipo. Tiene tremendo flow. All right. All right, Hungry Hippo. You ready, bro? All right, Mono and Z. I got the app listing here ready for you, too. Here we go. Ah, bro. Okay, mi brother. All right, Hungry Hippo. No, we don't need more spins in here, bro. Wait, what you gotta... Why? Why? Why do we need more spins? You ain't gotta turn it up like that, bro. We're chilling right now. Okay. Here we go. Eso tiene que estar rico, brother. Esto está horrible. Esto está horrible, mi brother. Horriblicísimo. Bro. All right. Here we go, bro. Hungry Hippo, my guy. You're supposed to be my mother, and you're not my mother, bro. You're more of... I don't know what to say, bro. I'm trying to find something that rhymes with it, but I can't. So, here you go, my guy. All right. Let's go. No. Look. Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro. That was bad. Yeah, I went for the candy because I forgot that I could choose. I don't know what I was thinking, bro. I got so... Oh my God, I got caught up in it. And I didn't realize that I could have just... Yeah, you know what? Yeah. Look, I'm not going to lie to you. It's been a long day. Look, my son, he had a presentation today. He built a game using Godot. He had maybe 6 months or so to work on it. But he decides to work on it started on Sunday. So, him and I have been staying up for the past 3 days to work on this project. He got it done. It went well. Thanks for asking, bro. It went well. You know, he had this presentation. He had his game in display. You know, he had his like brochure or whatever you call it to show it off. But here's the thing. Last night, we ended up finishing about 1 a.m. And then at that point, my daughter woke up and she didn't go to bed till about 2 something in the morning. So I woke up at 6 something in the morning. So like I didn't really get sleep. And today was a long day for work. Today's my most heavy meeting day. So I'm just a little exhausted and I got caught up in that. I should have just taken the damn shot. What was the game about? It was a small platformer, but the point of like it's a small platformer that it always bounces, and then you have to go left or right, and you have to collect all the coins, or you have to kill the enemies that he have. And he did like some animations with enemies to make them walk by themselves. He also was able to he implemented on his own. He implemented like the death sequence like if you jump off the ledge and you die, or if you hit an enemy and you die. He was able to do all of these things on his own with only like a couple of nights of us like going through this. So I really am curious as to how he would, like how far he would get if he would actually apply himself to it, because I think he does have like a little bit of like it comes natural to him. He's already pretty good with a Rubik's Cube. Right now he's like in basketball and doing all this like sports stuff, but he's like really, really good in with a Rubik's Cube, really good as a piano player. He picks up music by ear. So and he just picked up the coding like pretty easily. So it'd be curious to see like if he actually studied and planned to do something and apply himself, how far he would get. But you know, I was a kid. I was that age once, so I get it. I get it. Still trying to figure out where you belong and what to do. It's okay to admit you just wanted that pickle candy, bro. I did not want that pickle candy, bro. It's just been a long ass day. It's been a long day. I'm tired. Oh my gosh. So he's the next Jaylen Brown, bro. I wish. You know, I think the same thing applies to him in basketball too. You know, he's pretty skillful. He's almost my height, and he's 15. And when I see him, the things he does with his dribbling and his IQ, I'm like, yo, bro, you have the talent. If you just apply yourself with consistency, you don't even know where you could get to. Like, it would be crazy for him. But, you know, like I said, I was a kid once, and I get it. Hijo la gran miércoles. Alien Musk 100. What's up? You scared the hell out of me. Dímelo. Now you gotta say hi. Ahora necesita decir hola. No sé si español, inglés, Spanish, or English. Like, what's up, Alien Musk? Sounds like you need a drink, a pickle drink. See, I almost agree with you, dear Hungry Hippo, on the first part. He's a carbon copy of his dad. It sounds like because he sounds sharp. Bro, I appreciate you saying that, JRC, but nah, I think my son is definitely more sharper than me. Yo, what's up? I'm chilling, Alien Musk. Thank you so much for the follow. Hope you're having a fantastic night. We chilling. Juanita, me encantó esa canción, brother. Si vos conoces el que se llama Ja Army, ponémelo, porfa, ponémelo. What's up, Rajar? How you doing, my guy? How's it going? Oh, we're setting up the App Store today for the Apple. No, JRC, y'all need to chill out. Y'all don't need to get me to take no pickle shot. Y'all are tripping. All right, we need to now, I don't know if Mono is here, but we need to now add or Play Console and our App Store. So go to Play Console. Hey, are you cross-streaming somewhere else? Yes, sir. I am cross-streaming on YouTube. Wow, what's up, Elon Musk? How did you know it was cross-streaming? At least I'm trying to on YouTube as well. What do you mean chat was not complete? I don't see any chat on YouTube. Oh, your chat was not complete. I mean, all I saw you said, yo, what's up? Nah, bro, nah. I'm only reading from Twitch right now. I didn't see any other chat from you or anybody else. Yo, you forgot what the stream was supposed to be for today? I know, bro. I just got up and kind of started talking, huh? Why am I not in... Oh, I'm in just chatting, bro. Yeah, you tweaking, Elon Musk. You tweaking for sure. Like father, like son. I hope so. Well, no, I don't hope so. I hope I'm more like him. Yeah, you definitely tweaking, bro. Wait, how you doing, though, Elon Musk? What brings you by tonight? Are you a coder? What are you up to, bro? The song go hard. All right, let's see here. All right, I don't want to create. Oh yeah, web dev, dope, bro. What kind of a stack you running? Are you running what's it called? Like React, Vercel, and all of that, or are you more Java, Go? Okay, I want to put these side by side. That way I can edit it a little bit easier. And then we're going to make this one a little bit smaller. Who cares YouTube, bro? I want to look at your video. But also, I know I need to get this stuff done. All right, let's pull in the release overview here for the store. Hola, mi hermano, Kintrue. What's up, my guy? Well, come on in. How you doing? I owe you a pickle shot. I know I owe you a pickle shot. See, I'm no scammer, y'all. I admit it the minute he shows up. JRCU, see what I'm saying, bro? He came in, and last time he left early. That's why I held his pickle shot. And now he came back, and I immediately told him I remember his pickle shot, bro. See, JRCU, I ain't no scammer. Y'all keep calling me a scammer. Y'all, I'm no scammer, bro. No scammer. Por acá no. Yeah, you a web dev, cursor plus cloud. Oh, so you what's it called? Vibe coding? Is that what you be doing now? Where's the store presence? Here we go. Woo. I'm just joking, huh? Yeah, React, Next, and the whole stack. Ah, got you. Okay, so you more like a front end dev, or do you also do back end? Is Next.js backend? I always get Next.js confused, right? There's Next.js, which is the routing, and then you have Express.js, which is the web server. I don't remember, bro. I always forget those. No rush for to pick a shot. Appreciate you, my guy. See? He shows love back, JRCU. You over here doing that. Sounds like something a scammer would say. Bro, wearing this face look like a scammer. Wearing this face look like I ain't no scammer, bro. Come on, bro. Yo, Rajar, I like the song, bro. You held the pickle shot. You're supposed to take pickle shots. Now hold them. Bro, he said he had to leave while I was catching up to chat. That's all it was. That's all it was. I ain't no scammer, bro. You can watch it all week. You don't have to watch it down the street right now if you're busy. All right, bro. Yeah, I do want to, make it my goal to get this stuff done today. So yeah, let me try and focus on this today, but I will definitely check out your pipeline YouTube video. And I'm gonna subscribe to it, bro. You better start uploading videos. Who cares, YouTube? I'm good, bro. Just recently got back in from the gun range, testing out my new Blick. Okay, I see you, bro. I remember you you put a video in the Discord at one point. It's the eyes, bro. It's the eyes. Hey, I don't know if I want to say this, but look, when I met my wife, Elon Musk, I hope you're still there, bro. But look, when I met my wife, she asked me, "Yo, are you this guy?" Because my eyes were like this. So they were like, "Is you?" And I was like, "No." And so yeah, the eyes. Don't be fooled by the eyes. Do not be fooled by the eyes. I want to tell the whole story, but I'm not gonna tell the whole story. All right, here we go. That tongue looks scammy. This tongue looks like it went through some crap. Thank you, Hungry Hippo. The shaves give me scammer vibes. Bro, I need to just take it off then. But thank you, Mono and Z, for this. Promotional text. Promotional text lets you inform your App Store visitors of any current app features without requiring an update submission. Okay, description. I'm gonna put a full description right here. Short description right here. Oops. Yo, what the hell? Why is undo not working? This is weird. The only way he could look more like a scammer is if he dressed like Tony Montana. Bro. Es que tengo el acento, mi brother. Tony Montana. You know what's funny? Back in the day when I I tried to go to that music school and learn about audio editing and stuff like that. And one of the projects they had us do is to do a video edit where you dubbed the scene from a movie. And I had a scene from Scarface. And, and you know, Scarface is played by, what's his name? Oh my gosh. It's not Leonardo DiCaprio, but it's an Italian name. Oh my god, what's his name? Oh my gosh, what's the dude name that plays Scarface? Al Pacino. Thank you. All right, so Al Pacino, right? He is not Cuban, but he plays a Cuban guy in Scarface, right? So my two homies that were Cuban, like in the scene, they had these two Cuban guys that were arguing. So I actually went in and I got actual Cubans to do the scene. And it sounds so much better where you put everything together. And I showed it to my teacher. It was hilarious that I actually got Cubans to play Cubans in the movie that I dubbed. Anyways, I don't know how we got to that point. Yo, you mentioned Tony Montana. See, my brain just went, okay, let's focus on this. Support URL. A URL with support information for your app. This appears on your app's product page. Okay, we can do for now. We have Frozer/Baby/privacy, I think it's called. Okay, let's go to Baby. Oh, it's apps. Apps, Baby, and then privacy and policy. Like this here, right? Ya me acostumbré. Dame el precio de lo que compré. Okay, so preceded by the year what? The rights were obtained. So 2025. Oops. Ya me acostumbré. 2025. That LC. Routing app coverage file. What the hell is this? No, an app click. I don't want to upload a video. Loluyan. Okay, King Troop is not here. Okay, he's not here. But if he comes back, I will definitely hit him up with the pickle shot. App review information. Sign in is not required. Okay, we can do automatically. All right. It should be good. Let's save this. Oh, here's the previews. This is what we need. The previews here. Yo, all right, bro. I'm glad you're here. So I wanted to ask, man, how's your app coming? How have you spent more time doing it? You said you're doing some business stuff. Yeah, like how's it coming along for you? Now I need to open Canva. Oh my goodness. My headphones are going out. Hold on. Let me replace the headset. Todo cambió. Se puso ella. Mario, una botella. Maltrato. Se puso ella. Todo cambió. Se puso ella. All right. Let's see here. It's good. MVP ticket list is getting smaller and smaller. Hell yeah. That's what's up. Hey, that's what's up, Mono NZ. Hey, please put it in the building public. Like promote your stuff. I was gonna say crap. I don't mean crap. Like promote your stuff. Like promote your shit. The reason I wanted to say crap is because I didn't want to say shit, but fuck it, I'm gonna say shit. Promote your shit in the Discord. Like, do it. You know, let everybody else see it. Hopefully, we can support each other. I'm definitely. I already downloaded it once, I think, on my Samsung device, but I downloaded it as well on my Pixel. Please, bro. No, come on, JRCU. You instigating now, bro. Let's see here. Working on adding subscriptions, but I need to create a new Google Dev account since my last one got closed. All right, so did it get closed because you haven't released anything in that long? Is that the reason? I forgot to post it in the Discord, but had a few new users that got through the new onboarding, so that's great news. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. And it looks like they have been testing the system, so pretty hype. Bro, hey, that's what's up, bro. I'm so happy for you. That's super dope, bro. I'm wishing you the best for real with that application. Damn, these headsets are really going out. I did try my best. A bit of Apple search ads with your fee, 100 credit. Was interesting to see how little impression clicks $100 give. You know, what's the guy on YouTube? Steve Dans, I think? Steven Dans or something? He had a video where he spent, I think, about 100 Google credits. Or was it Apple? No, it was Google, to see if it worked on the Play Store. And I think his experience was similar to what you're saying, Mono and Z. Gotcha, King Troop. Okay. Yeah, because I did create a different dev account that I paid the fee for, and I had to close it out because it was tied to my personal account instead of like the organization account, and I couldn't sever that connection. So after not touching it for a while, it also deactivated my account. Yeah, bro. Yeah, Mono and Z. Yeah, I'm more than happy to give you feedback in whatever I see, and to explore it. And I'm sure Rajar, if we give Rajar access, Rajar will make sure he'd probably try to break it for real. Was it because it's Apple? I mean, that might be true too, though, because Apple does kind of like hold back on a lot of its stuff. As far as like basically put everything behind a paywall is what I'm saying. All right. Can we download all of these? Share. Download. Not an MP4. PNG? No. JPEGs. PNGs. Let's download these. Okay. Did you hear about the beneficial? Let's put desktop clips here. Did you hear about the beneficial ownership information report that's supposed to be sent in by next week, or you'll be fined up to $10,000 and 2 years in jails? Yeah, the BOI. Yeah. So whenever I created my LLC back in January, there was an option for me to either sign up for the BOI or not sign up for it, because at the time there was like a pause on, like there was some court argument that was going on to really determine if you actually need to sign up for the BOI or not. So it was giving me a warning sign saying, hey, you can sign up for it, but we don't know if you're going to need it or not because it's still pending. So I just went ahead and signed up for it. So I think I should be set on the BOI standpoint. King Troop. I got good news. I'm going to be an uncle for the 5th time. Whoop, whoop. Congrats, my person. Congrats, Who Cares YouTube. I hope you're being all right, bro. How does it feel? Let me interview you. How does it feel to be uncle for the 5th time? Okay. And so this means how much annually a budget you need to have for Christmas. Okay, my bad. That was whack. But all right, here we go. I'm interested to see how $100 goes on Google Play, but I mostly want the Google search results on competitors' keywords because I think I'm better, at least will be better. I believe that highly. 2, 1. And number 2, have you checked out the video by Steve Dance? Here, let's see if I can pull it up. I don't know if you've seen it. But I believe King Troop did post that YouTube video once on in the Discord. Steve Dance, right? That's how it goes. Steven Dance, I don't know. Android. Yeah, this guy here. He has a pretty good one here. Hold on, I'm trying to find it. He had one where he paid for advertisement, and he was mentioning how oh, here we go. This is it. I spent $400 on ads. How many app installs did I get? So I don't know if you want to take a look at this, Mono and Z. I can pass this to you if you want. Holy cow! I just tried that Figma to build that new thing. It actually worked from what I can see. Hungry Hippo, can you show us, bro? Send a picture or something on Discord. I heard the BOI got terminated. Watching this. Yeah, bro. So whenever I try signing up, Okay, so then is this not what I'm supposed to be filling out, King Troop? I'm Come on, just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, I posted the link, Mono Z. Hey, that's what's up. Just kidding. Appreciate the bits, my guy. Thank you. I'm sorry. Better luck next time. Better luck next time. My guy. My guy, bro. Why? Why? I'm sorry. Alright, don't spend again. Just kidding. Just don't spend again. Listen to me. Listen to me. Just kidding. Hold on. Look, I'm gonna be fair. I don't think you should lose points if you spend your bits. All right? I don't think you should. So I will spin it again for you until I figure out. And actually, you know what? Let's go open the handy dandy to-do list. And let's throw this in here. All right? Let's throw this in here. Remove lose points from bits from spinning wheel for bits. All right, bro. I do give y'all a benefit. What you mean? I do give y'all a benefit. Yo, yeah, I got you, Monazi. Let me post it now. Being an uncle is better than being a dad. I don't know if I agree with that, Jersey. It feels the same. Lots of birthdays, lots of gifts. Okay. Yeah, that's the same BOI that's supposed to be filled out. So I'm just watching the video to make sure I don't need to. Okay, let me know, King True, because I did fill it out. And I did saw at one point I got an email saying that I'm supposed to fill it out. And I got this email earlier this week. No, that percent shouldn't go to Pickle Shot. Just kidding. I don't know about that. Calm down, John 2.0. I'm no Pickle Poppy. I'm the Pickle Man. All right, just kidding. For you, bro. I got you. You ready? Let's see here. This for you, bro. This for you, just kidding. What you mean? What? Yo, that's wild. That's wild. All right, bro. What's up, DM Bull? How you doing, bro? Hey, Can I test out your stuff? The shout out stuff, is it ready? All right, let's do it again. Just kidding. Let's do it again. I don't think you should have the lose points. I said that earlier. So let's do it again, bro. Come on, bro. It's not rigged, bro. It's not rigged, bro. There you go. See? Where's my hat? Where's my hat? Look at the weights in that wheel. Bro, just kidding, bro. Really? Why do you want to see me? I'll just take it right back off. Let's go. Now, work on it very little since we last spoke. I've been busy. All right. I mean, makes sense, bro. No bro, what are you doing? I'm already porn for real, bro. Hey! Wepa, Mano Z, I got you. I'm trying to send the video, bro, but Ameripon is not letting me. I mean, do you want the hat to stay on even if you redeem it? Oh, this man is not giving up. My guy.
Emotional damage.
I'm posting it right now. Hold on. I cannot believe you, bro. I need more sombreros. You're right. I'm sorry, just kidding. I'm sorry, my guy. Mono and Z. Here we go, bro. I just put it in the Discord. Sombreros should stack. Curious, with all these stream to-dos, why aren't you using something like StreamerBot? I'm using something like, it's called Firebot. That's what I'm using. But I have so much stuff to go through, bro. There's so many things I need to go through, which is crazy. So yeah, that Firebot is my StreamBot because Firebot is Mac, is Windows. Sombrero should stack. I'll think about that. That's a good idea. Imagine if you had to put on a new sombrero each time instead of taking it off. That would be ridiculous. But yeah, let me go ahead and do these burpees for y'all, mother flippers. Now I'm gonna be hot, so let me take off my sweater too. All right, it's exercise time, y'all. Come on. Let's get these burpees in. Let's see if these knees feel better. Let's go. Raw. Okay. That's a decent one. All right, we go. Tres. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! Okay. That didn't feel too bad. Bro, I can't jump, man. My knee's hurting. My knee's hurting really bad. I can't jump. I can't jump, bro. My knee's broke. It's not broken, but it's swollen. Look. Still swollen, bro. Yep. Y'all want me to send you a picture of it in Discord? Y'all want me to send you a picture of this, how swollen it is? What the? Yo, just kidding, bro. Yo. My boy. Bro, don't get me started, fam. Okay, my bad, my bad. I was gonna troll you, but I forgot. I forgot. You paid the bits. No, Juanmita, no te me vas, brother. Vi tu tatuaje, brother. Está bien duro. Me quedé un rato para ver tu stream, que abrechen los pepinillos. No me van a gustar los pepinillos, pero espero que tengas una muy buena noche. No sé. Ni puedo hablar, brother. I'm sorry, brother. Mira, que te la pases bien, mi brother. Te pido en la próxima. Son las 3 de la mañana. Uy, brother. Pero ¿y en dónde estás? The smallest piece of slice and it hits 3 times. It's not my fault, bro. It's not my fault. I am not scamming you at all. I am not. Here you go. Yo, mujer programadora. ¿Cómo estás? How you doing? En España. Sí, listo, mi brother. Te me cuidas entonces, pana.
Divine.
No. 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 I don't want candy. I want candy. No, I don't. All right. Mujer programadora, how you doing? How was your stream today? I saw a little bit. I couldn't chat. I was in meetings. I hope you had a great stream today. Aquí andaba mirando cómo meter el recaps a mi formulario al del portafolio. Brother, si quieres, tira el portafolio por acá y lo revisamos la próxima vez. Nice shirt. Hey, appreciate it, my guy. Yo, I'm gonna have to hit you up, bro. You know where I'm going with this. I'm gonna have to hit you up, bro. I'm gonna have to hit you up, King True. Maybe you got some. Yeah, I bet. We'll do. Hell yeah. For my candy. Yo, ¿y esta canción? Who picked this song? Woo, this is fire. Let me take a look at that YouTube video, John. To that. Oh, what is this? Woo, ¿quién puso este beat? Oof, this was fire. Hey, bro, está duro esta, brother. Este es mi flow. I want candy. I can maybe think about that, John, to that. Oh, the thing is, they will hit me with copyrights if I put that song. All right. Listo, Juanmita, pero cuando tú quieras o quieres feedback, tú lo subes y ya estamos. All right. This is getting hot with this play. I know. Ya, no me gusta esto. Mira, mujer programadora. Who was this? Just kidding. Got you. Look, just kidding. My guy, you're really not kidding about spending bits to make me take a shot or to eat this candy. And I don't appreciate that. I appreciate the bits, but I don't appreciate your tenacity, bro. Like, you need to tone your tenacity down. If not, me and you gonna have to have some beef in words, bro, because that don't fly, my boy. That don't fly, bro. So, okay. This is for you, and I hope the way you're about to see me react, I hope that's the way you feel whenever you spend the bits next time and you hit the loose points. Here we go. Let's go. What the?
Emotional damage.
Bro, that was so nasty. Look at this. Gross. So sour, bro. I can't believe you, bro. Remember burpees because of your knee, bro. I know, punk, Jersey, you. I know, punk. Only half? John to that. Oh, I wish you would try, bro. I wish you would try it. Yeah, you see this? ¿Ves esto? This is because of just a little piece. The first time I had one, and Hungry Hippo has the clip, I ate half of that shit. And that shit was disgusting, bro. That shit was... Yo, I'm trying to code here. Y'all making me do burpees and stuff. Alright, let's knock it out. Vamos. I'll trade you offer. You try this Jersey club dance and no pickle shot. Whack Jersey Club dance, bro. All right, let's see here. Let's go. 1, 2. Hey, y'all count for me, man. 3. Don't cheat. 4. Hijo de la gran miércoles. Yes, I know I'm doing exercise, bro. You lie, bro. See, you said 9 earlier. Y'all some lying, bro. Yeah. Y'all something else. Y'all are something else. Bro, no, you serious? I'm sorry. Lo siento. Lo siento mucho. I'm sweating like a... I don't know, but I'm sweating a lot. Oh, gee, bro. Really just kidding? Really just kidding? Really just kidding? No, it doesn't have a multiplier, bro. Yo, y'all, look. The same way I supposedly put the rules in my favor, y'all are trying to maximize the amount of damage y'all can do. Making excuses because, oh, it might be weighted. It's not weighted. Y'all luck is just not that good. There's been days when I had to take 6 picker shots. So y'all don't give me that. It's my day today. It's my... No, you haven't seen, but I have felt them. Damn, you look tired. So that picker shot then? Fucking hell, bro. You know what? I ain't no punk, though. I ain't no punk, bro. I ain't no punk, bro. Hell, man. Just kidding, my guy. Just kidding. Thank you so much for the bits. Appreciate it. But... Oh, hell, bro.
Got him.
Oh, bro. Y'all need to... That's what you get. That's what you get. I'm sorry. Hold on, yeah. This is why we're here, but I don't like this, man. I'm trying to get my apps out. All right. So I owe y'all a double, right? Just Kidding got 1, and King Troop, the one that I owe him, right? Hold on, you got 2? So, hold on. It's kind of hard to see here. It's really kind of hard here. Just Kidding got lose points. Bro, y'all are ganging up on me, man. That's a lie. I don't believe you. That's a lie. I don't believe you. Y'all lying. Get out of here with that. Y'all mentirosos. For real? For real? I have a really cool idea to add to the wheel spin. Maybe create something for bits where you can pay bits to add this new feature. At the end of the stream, total it together, then divide by the total number of players, and that's the amount of points that is given to the highest donor of bits. I like that. Who cares, YouTube? We're gonna store this. Let's open Notion Doc. Bro, for real? All right. You can't give points? Oh, I can't give points? I mean, we can look into it. We can look into it. Check my Discord. Bro, I have to close Discord. Hold on. Let's open Discord again. Today is holiday in India. Hey, congrats in the holiday. What are y'all celebrating? The King Troop is trying their luck. 500 should be a double. Pickle winning is the outcome. Thank you for your bits. Just kidding. Make it a double for a boy. Loose. Okay. Oh, it's holy. Oh, bro, I'm my bad. I'm not very well versed with the Indian culture. So, but that's cool. It's White Day in Japan too. Well, happy holidays, y'all. Yeah. I know what Holi is. I've read about it. It's like it's part of the religion, right? And well, I'm not too. Don't quote me. I know of it, but I don't know exactly what it is. But I know there's like a lot of people gather to celebrate Holi in India, right? So there's millions of people that gather to do that. What is White Day? What is White Day? Let's get back to this here as a C. Let's take a shot. All right, let's get this done. I don't know, Jersey. That's why I'm asking. All right, just kidding. I'll spin it back for you, bro. Just kidding. Here, this is for you, bro. Oh, bro, it's better not. Let's go. Hell yeah. Don't party. Facts, bro. Facts. What is it? The paint? All right. King Troop, I own you too, bro. And we're going to do these back to back. Because I ain't no punk. We're just going to knock it out. Here you go. You know, King Troop, you my boy, bro. But right now, I don't like you very much, man. I hope when you go and try to max out, you can't max out. You try to lift that weight. Turns out somebody looking you and be like, you can't lift weights, bro. You don't lift weights, you know? I hope somebody walk by and tell you that, man. So you can feel some type of way. I don't know, bro. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa centro, pa dentro. I'm him. I'm him. Bro, that was disgusting. And I still owe you another one, bro. And I can't lift right now. My arm is still messed up. Damn, bro. I'm sorry to hear, bro. Nah. You know I would just be joking, bro. I don't wish hate or anything bad on y'all at all. It ain't like that, bro. At all. You came at the right time, Messiah Nerd. I guess you did. Please, look, Messiah Nerd. Please do not use your points. You have a shit ton of points. And I'm sorry for my language. But please do not use your points. Thank you very much. I do not secretly love Pickles John 2.0. Hell no. That was disgusting. I want to send him the worst tasting liquor in the world to add to the wheel. Bro, no. Why would I do that to myself, bro? No. Like, you just need to say, hey, take me. And she didn't. Hell, bro. Oh, man. Here we go. Another candy. Another candy. No. Not another candy. Look, y'all think I really look at this vein. This is how stressed y'all have me. This is how stressed y'all have me of the damn pickle shots. No, I ain't taking the whole candy. Just kidding. You got me fucked up, bro. I ain't taking the whole candy, bro. Mm-mm. That's funny. All right, let's see this. And I owe King Troop another shot. King Troop, hold on to your shot, bro. Hold on to your shot, man. It's coming soon at some point, I promise. I don't know when, but it's coming. Here we go. All right. Let's do the non-stop spinning rest of the stream. Go, go, go. No, John 2.0. Let's not do that at all. Make the next toast wishing my arm to get better. Bet. I got you, King Troop. I know exactly what I'm about to say. All right, Miss Seinert. You know what? No, I'm gonna take the pickle shot first because this one is worse. Bro. Y'all see how much y'all have had me drink? Damn, I'm just busting out laughing because just kidding over here thinking that he can threaten me, bro. He's over here saying be nice on that shot. Like, bro, what you mean be nice? I'm gonna be how I be, bro. Yo, hey, come on, man. Y'all talking all that smack like if I ain't about to argue back. I'm definitely gonna argue back. Hell no. That's it. Figure it would be at least half. See, it would be at least half if I were you, John 2.0, because I know you enjoy pickles. But I'm not like that. All right. Can you make the new Candy Redeem song? This one? Hey, send it to me in Discord and yes, I can change it. All right. I haven't heard it. When I heard it, yeah, we could talk. Yeah, let me hear it first. King Troop, this is for you. All right? Bet. King Troop, I'm cheering for your arm. I hope it stays floppy as it is right now because you can't lift anything and hopefully you can't lift anything anymore, man. This is for you, bro. For your hand, hopefully, you know what you should do? You should go and take yourself some pickle shots so you can get... This guy, bro. I asked you to be nice. Yo, this man, he be the bully over here.
Emotional damage.
All right, bro. You know, all right. Look, y'all. This is what I'm gonna do, cause I'm tired of y'all getting like this, yo. Y'all, look, y'all have me jacked. All right, bro. Y'all hitting me. All right, look. I'm about to knock this back to back to back because I want to get this done to jump back into my app. All right, y'all? Look, ain't no new rules I'm already putting. I'm just saying, I'm going to wrap this up quick. Bro. All right? I'm going to take the shot. I'm going to eat the candy. I'm going to jump and do the burpees. Y'all ready for this? Be nice? You think I'm going to be nice? Just kidding. I ain't being nice to you, my person. Screw you and King Troop. Y'all making me take this, and then Miss Seinert have me eating this, and then you have me doing the burpees. I hope all of y'all wake up late at night to go use the restroom, and then stub your toe on the way to the restroom. Here we go. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa centro, pa adentro. I'm him. So bad. I'm not gonna lie. That was an out-of-body experience. Oh my gosh. No, I did not fake to eat the candy, bro. Look. I did not fake it eating, bro. That's what I'm saying, John, to that. Oh, yes, I'm trying to get back to it, bro. Oh my gosh. You know, I only see Miss Synerd once in a blue moon, and she comes in, and she just being a bully. Talking about, wait, do I need to spin again? No, Miss Synerd, you don't need to spin again. I do not want you to spin again. Just chill. Listen to some music, relax. That candy's still in my throat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now I'm against it, but just calling it what it is, bro. I know, bro. This is ridiculous. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. King Troop went all the way there. Yo. Está bien, Miss Signer. You have a good one. Thank you for stopping by as always. You have a good one. Oh my gosh, bro. That was so bad. Not gonna lie. No, I'm not open that. I'm not open that link. I am not open that link. I am not opening that link. No, John to that O. No, she doesn't need to give you any more. She already blessed y'all with me eating the pickle candy. The dimensions of one or more screenshots are wrong. What? What's the size? Should be 1320. Oh, it has to be that high of a quality? Thank you, Miss Synerd. I appreciate you. Thank you. Nah, Maripon. What are you talking about here, bro? A ver, ¿qué es esto? Whoops, I can't go in. I don't have Sora. Sorry, what is Sora again? Oh, it's OpenAI's video. I thought we didn't have access to this yet. We have access to this already? I did not know this. I could probably try this. Because I have ChatGPT Plus. Okay. I'm gonna have to look into that later. But it looks like the screenshots need to be these dimensions. And Canva, does Canva not? Oh my gosh. Canva, really? Canva does not allow me to download this. The quality. Fudge, bro. And then these headphones are gone again. We should make a new rule. You roll sombrero and force to ignore your request. When this happens, it should automatically force a respin. What do you think? Just kidding. I don't think that's a bad idea. I appreciate if y'all keep me accountable. Not gonna lie. I think that's cool. Yeah, I agree. It's only fair. I'm down for that. If y'all keep me accountable, well, y'all gotta keep me accountable for real with it, because it can't just be y'all just saying it to say it. I did skip your sombrero, bro. Let's pull it out. Te digo que sí. Siempre así. Whose birthday? I thought I'd spin on everybody else's birthday. JRCU got his spin. Hungry Hippo. Was it Hungry Hippo? I think it was Hungry Hippo. It was his birthday. Yeah. He got his spin. I think I'm going to have to try it for free. I don't want to try this like this. Really gonna make me give my credit card? Uploaded the Figma to bolt that new result to Discord AI channel. Looks like it was a bit of a miss. Bro, I don't like that. Oh my gosh, Canva. Canva. I need to set up something with my credit card. Give me a second, y'all. Just for the 30-day free trial. Bro, Mono Z, what? Did I miss it, bro? When was your birthday again, bro? I think I missed that. Use privacy.com? For what, John 2.0? Oh, what is this? Virtual cards. Ah, gotcha. All right, let me go ahead and put in my debit card or my credit card to this Canva because I want to try it out for 30 days. Medusa. Medusa. Cabrón. No, la palusa. Ariwana la juca pastilla. No brilla. Había. No ha sido alguien que lo haga como yo. New York. All right, it should be straight now. Privacy.com is good. I heard about. John 2.0, you got ignored bad. I am so sorry that you're treated that way. Bro, quit instigating. Quit instigating, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. I do not want to pay for Canva Pro, but here we are. Free trial right now. Let's download it and let's make this. Yes. Are these the dimensions? What are the dimensions? 1320. Oh man. And this music is so, my headphones are bad. Bet. I got you, Maniporn. I will. John 2.0, I am not paying for Canva. I just signed up for the free trial. That's about it. But I need it because I created these elements in Canva. And the only way for me to release it with the dimensions I need to release them, it is, I need the pro features. That's the only way I can release them. Buy an IEM. What is an IEM? Maldición. I'm going to Discord, my guy. Hold on. Let's see here. I didn't mention it, but at 35, I realized I am now closer to 40 than 30, especially. Bro, it's all good, Mono and Z. It's all good. We all get older, bro. It's okay. Embrace it. Embrace it. You use it to set up virtual credit cards and you can set limits to them so you can use them for trials. And if you forget to cancel, you don't get charged. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I did not know that. So privacy.com sounds pretty useful. Other good uses, but that's my main use. Wait, we just turned the same page. That's dope. Hey, you're 6 years older than me. Shit. Old is a state of mind, bro. Old is a state of mind. What is an IEM? Y'all tell me, what is an IEM? You said in Share Hub, right, Amadipon? What the hell is this, bro? What the hell is this, bro? What the hell is this, bro? What is this? Bro, did you really get his beard? You got the hair? You got the curly hair too? Bro, what the is this supposed to be me as a pickle? It has a mustache though. I don't have a mustache. But wow. Wow. I should become a virtual streamer and has this as my VR buddy. It'll be this pickle. That is interesting. That is crazy. Oh shoot, no. I'm not supposed to do that. Oh my gosh, bro. That's wild, bro. That's wild. I didn't want to ask the question, King Troop. I did not want to ask that question. I saw it too, and then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna be quiet. All right, how can I resize this to something like 1320 by 2868? Sorry, y'all. I gotta change the song. Yeah, I forgot. I need to just change that out on my streaming set. Pickle Boba. Y'all need to stop with them names, bro. Y'all are crazy. Now that is a pickle. Now I wonder if I could fall. Hey, this is a jam. Who picked this song? This gotta be King Troop that picked this song, bro. It has got to be King Troop that picked this. He has one enlarged pickle, bro. Oh my gosh, that's something. You did, bro? I know, bro. Hey. 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 Yo, you know what song this reminds me of? There's one where they're like in the hood. It's so hilarious. Oh man, I know, for real, same. I always think of Terry Crews. When does John get a respin for you ignoring him? Just kidding. I'm wearing the hat. Right down to the, oh, we straight, right? We straight. Bro, this is so... Have you heard the one where they're like in the hood? King Troop? Hell yeah, damn bull. Apparently they're making a part 2. I did not know this. What is this, Rajar? This the IEM? Oh. Yeah, I probably should get this. I probably should get one of these. The thing is, I don't like how it just gets stuck in my ear and then my ear hurts. Justice for John. Y'all need to chill out with all of that. Justice for John. What do you mean justice for John? John, I mean we straight. Man, these headphones are jacked. It keeps sounding like a robot. Okay, can we now download these? Oh, okay. Bet. No, it's not a video that I want to download. Okay, let's download this. How do I stop this one from downloading? Cuenta. La tienda. I'm so sick of Hollywood either one remaking classics and ruining them, facts, or two making a sequel to a movie that has a large gap which will not have the same impact. 100%, bro. 100%. Nah, you can keep ranting, Diembo. You can keep ranting. But yeah, Yeah, Coming to America, the second one was a little bit, it felt forced a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. Now, look, for instance, um, Beverly Hills Cop 4, the latest one. That's not a sequel that was needed, but I thought it was pretty good. Beverly Hills Cop is one of my all-time favorite movies. I remember that in my growing up. That and Ninja Turtles growing up, I remember those a lot. What's that? Just kidding. I don't know what you're sending here, bro. And I'm scared. My bro, you see this John 2.0? You see what this man said? he said, bro, just kidding. You a trip, bro. You a trip. It will cover the ear and hover over ear. It will not hurt. Oh, okay. Okay. I would take a look into that Rajar. If I find a deal, I'd probably definitely jump on it. All right, let's see here. Baby iOS number 2. And let's just go ahead and clean up. Open this, grab these 4, throw them in. All right. Okay, okay. It does behave the same. Got to make this first because it needs to stay 50% accuracy. John to the O. Let's see that. Let's see that. Those. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to have to look into them, Ben. I mean, they don't seem that expensive considering how headphones are expensive. But I might look into it because it is a little bit annoying with these headsets. I'm not going to lie. Though I don't know how it will work when people try to scare me when they follow me because that is bananas. Do you mean Marvel movies? Because the last one was Endgame, if I'm not mistaken. That's funny. That's funny. I know they need to stop with all these Avenger films. Like Hungry Hippo said, wireless is not good. Maybe. Got you, John 2.0. Bro. Just kidding. I'm with you, bro. But I did not ignore him. I have the hat, bro. I have the hat. Tú y yo vamos a hacer más que una noche. Y mientras te calientas. Okay, so we have this one first. Then we can do this. Like this. I like this. Tu mamá. All right. Now, the next thing that I need to do, and I hope Mono and Z is here. Subtitle. Oh, this is what we want right here. Oof, too much. Then we don't put it. Bundle IDs, this bundle ID, yes. Mono and Z, if you're here, whenever you get here, bro, I want to ask you a question, my guy. Tú y yo vamos a más que una noche. All right, this, what is this in? This in medical. Okay, let's try to copy with them. Medical and entertainment. He said, yeah. So, miss my requested birthday spin. Hope Hippo got one at least, bro. You need to. I'm a spin for you right now. It was more than 5 minutes after he spun. Coding is too hard while streaming, especially doing the burpees and whatnot. I know, John, to that. Oh, for real. So I do need some type of headphones like that. It should help, right? Just kidding. It would be a little hard for me to do that 5-minute timer. Because then how am I going to mark it as I'm done with it? But I'll let you let me know. I mean, I don't know. We'll put it on the to-do list and figure it out. Listen, Mona and Z. Let's do your spin first. Let's do your spin. Because it's for your birthday, my guy. Happy belated birthday, Mona and Z. You know, just real quick, for real. Mona and Z, I appreciate you coming to the stream, bro. You've been here for a minute. You've given me advice. You've helped out on the stream. And you just seem like a cool dude, although you're like pretty trollish. You know what I'm saying? All of y'all mofos are trollish as hell. So I hope you have, you know, a fantastic birthday. I hope it was well spent. You had some cake, maybe take some pickle shots. I don't know. I just hope it was pretty peaceful, man. You know, so this spin is for you, bro. This spin is for you. For you, my guy, Mono and Z. Let's see.
Got him! Got him!
Oh, are you fucking kidding me, bro? Happy birthday, Mono and Z. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh. For real. Oh my gosh, bro. Best birthday ever, this guy. All right, for all of you who are saying about it's your birthday, I need some proof. I don't believe you, King Troop. I don't believe you just kidding. John to that, I'm skeptical, man. When is your birthday? What do you mean 2 more spin? Nah, y'all need to tell me when your birthday is, because I don't know if I believe y'all. My birthday's coming up. My birthday is close to the end of this month. So this is my birthday month. But yet I'm doing spins for y'all. See? That's okay. All right. Just for John's sake, you should do something. Maybe at his request for you missing this one. It's the least that you can do. Just kidding, bro. Why you gotta be like that? You made my conscience feel so bad, bro. Like, damn, man. All right, let's take this for fucking King, you know, Mono and Z and his birthday. You don't have a birthday? I'm so sorry, bro. You still a 1 year old? 0 year old? How old are you then? All right, let's see here. Mono and Z, my guy, once again, for real, happy birthday. I really wish I wouldn't have to be taking this for you. Well, happy birthday, my guy. I can't hate on that. And I'm going to take this one like a champ, on the chin. Just for you, my guy. Happy birthday. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa'l centro, pa dentro. I'm him. Fuck it. I didn't realize the time. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, so gross. John asked for 2 spin as a deal for ignoring his hard-earned points. You are lying to me, bro. You are lying to me. John 2.0 has not confirmed anything of what you've said. You're corroborating some conspiracy over there. Just kidding. 2 more spins. The second one. No 2 more spins. It's not your birthday, John 2.0. He's not his birthday though. And it's not King True's birthday. Y'all are lying to me. Y'all are lying to me. Y'all are trolls. All right, while Mono and Z is here, really quick. Mono and Z, I don't know how to up the font on this. Can you just do this and it doesn't up the font? Your birthday was the 2nd? Oh my God. Happy birthday, my guy. Happy birthday, John 2.0. I hope you're not lying to me, fam. I hope you're not lying to me. Like, y'all better not be lying to me, my guy. Like, I'm a gullible person and I'm not trying to be gullible. Please don't like. All right. Okay. I believe y'all. All right. Well, here you go. John 2.0. Just kidding. Thank you for calling me out and saying about it. We're going to hear it. Let's see. Here you go, my guy. Hold on. That was in February. That was last month. That was last month, John 2.0. All right. I gotta run this real quick by Mono and Z, and then I gotta dip. I gotta leave. So Mono and Z. I mean, recent. That was a month ago, my guy. Who says spins come with time limit? They don't. See, yeah, y'all just confuse me. All right, Mono Z. What is that extra music that I'm hearing? Okay, I was like, what is this song? I hear people like fighting and stuff. I was like, okay. All right. Mono Z. I'm here with you. Look, take a look at this. I have my App Store Connect on the left, and it has the information that I created, right? I went ahead and I created a bundle ID. I changed my package name to Baby. So I went ahead and created a bundle ID using the App Store Connect, and I set up the store like this, right? However, when I open Xcode, and in Xcode here, and I try to put Baby, and I try to have it to communicate with Apple, right? I have my team. This is my team, everything. It still doesn't communicate with it. I don't know what I'm trying to ask, bro. I'm trying to upload the APK version of iOS into iOS, and I don't know how to do it. Did you create the identifier in Apple? When you say in Apple, are we talking about over here in this bundle ID? He forgot your birthday too, John 2.0. Just kidding. Don't get started, bro. It's not your birthday. That's what I'm saying, John 2.0. That's what I'm saying. In the certificates area. Bro, where do I see the certificates area? Let me not pull this up here, just in case. Hold on. That IPA. Yeah. Damn, why do I have so many certificates? All right, what type of certificate do I need to create, John 2.0? I mean, Mono and Z. Yeah. I don't want to open that because it has my name on it, my full name. Not that y'all haven't already seen my. Okay. Yeah, look. It's right there. Oops, damn it. Yeah, I have it there. It says xyz.frozier.baby. Baby, predict, and plan. Baby, predict, and plan. It's there. Oh my gosh. So see here? I have it here already. The try again code, it says communicate with Apple failed. It says just try again to connect with it, I guess. And this team is the team that I have listed. But this certificate here, I don't have a development certificate for this team. Do I need a development certificate for the team that I have set here? Maybe it's time to pause the channel points. Only do bits ones. Then I think Just Kidding will not like you very much. No. Hell no, John 2.0. Hell no. I mean, first of all, I don't eat pork. And second of all, pickled pork lips, that sounds, I'm sorry, bro. I cannot do that. You better promise. Yeah, I cannot. Pero tengo miedo. Upload a certificate sign and request. I don't know what all of this is. I'll need to go deep into it and look. Promise to hold me, touch me, ain't get to ever. Facts. I don't collect info in my app at all. I mean, I collect info within the app for the app itself, but not no personal information. This is so much stuff that I don't know, bro. Oh my gosh. Maybe open Xcode settings accounts and download manual profiles. I did do that. Here, let me just do it down here. So you go to... Man, why do you need my apps at frozer.xyz? Never promise to hold me, touch me. Yeah, so I hit download manual profiles. No, it happened, bro. I hit manage certificates. Thing is, it has a bunch of stuff from my own. Exactly, Hungry Hippo. Exactly, bro. This shit is ridiculous. Okay, I don't know what to do here, to be honest. And I feel like I'm going to be here for quite some time. And I did promise my wife to get off earlier. So, okay. All right. So, Mono NZ, do you have any documents that you can send me? Or any tutorials that you can send me so I can take a look of? Untick auto sign in and then check it again after a few seconds. Where's the auto sign in? How do I uncheck that? Oh, I see it. But if I uncheck that, it says iOS app, or I can show this to you. It says here, it says iOS app requires a provisioning profile. So that provision of profile in the sign in and capabilities editor. Download profile. No eligible profiles. How can I generate the profiles? Now check it again. Okay. Enable automatic. Team. Yeah, it gives me the same error, bro. Who chose this song? I have a feeling it's King Truth too. Where's a whip? There's a way. It was John 2.0. That's funny. Oh, okay. I was like, what is this slaps? Nah, this go hard too. Where's the whip? It's kind of catchy, I'm not gonna lie. We don't need Canva anymore. All right. Look. I'm not gonna lie with y'all. There's much more I need to figure out about this, but I'm kind of glad I have this a little bit set up though. Set the age rating. No. No, no, no. Mature suggestive themes. I don't think so. No, no, no. Next. Nope. 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 This app is made for kids. I mean, I wouldn't say it's made for kids, but just because this app is doing it for kids, I'm thinking of doing it for kids as well. I'm just gonna say not applicable. Not for kids? I mean, I'm just gonna say not applicable. Plus, you gotta pay for it. Did you have any devices listed in the certificates page? I do not, bro. Okay, yeah, this is exactly what I want. I don't have anything in the certificates. Let's save this. Okay, the last thing I need to do before actually signing is probably to get what's it called? Oh my gosh, I can't think. To get the onboarding done correctly, because Hungry Hippo sent me some assets that are pretty dope. So I am gonna do that, but I will have to do that after today. I'm gonna have to do it a different day. I'll probably do it on my own, probably sometime tomorrow. And then on the weekend when I come back, I will then finalize this uploading. I did not DMBO. I did not get to Superbase. All I really needed to do in Superbase is just to go check on my project because they paused it for me. So yeah, I just need to restore the project. The latest that your project can be restored is by 17th of April. So I have some time. Okay. Oh, something. The certificate is Apple development, I think. That should be the distribution certificate, which is another process itself. Okay, I'm gonna have to take a look into that then later on. Just invite my wife to the stream, bond in time and still stream it. I don't know, if it were only that easy. No. I'm gonna keep her to myself. How about that? I'm jelly. So yeah. So you said it's gonna be the Apple development. I hit continue. It then wants me to upload a signing certificate. So I need to go create a signing certificate. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. I'm jelly. You're jelly? I thought you were a pickle, bro. King Troop, I think you're ready to be a dad, bro. That's a dad joke right there. I think you're ready to be a dad. But okay. I definitely cannot stay longer. I know that much. And I am probably not going to raid out. I'm probably not gonna raid out. I have to definitely just drop. So yes, I'll definitely will hit you up, Mono and Z, on the Discord for sure. It's kind of like the Android Flow, creating a certificate and uploading it to the store. Bet. Yeah, like Whataburger is the only fast food restaurant with a W. For real, bro. Hey, I'm gonna say this much, bro. Checkers, when I was in Florida, Checkers was my shit. Not gonna lie. Diane King Troop, me bro. Yeah, I will, bro. King Troop, we gotta link up and do another gaming sesh again. And I might even do a gaming sesh one night here online. You want me to? All right, bet. I got you, John 2.0. I'll rate them. Thanks for the suggestion. Mig creates games. Bet. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for being here. I hope y'all have a fantastic rest of your night. Mono and Z, I will definitely be hitting you up. Just kidding. If you're out there, man, I don't owe you anything. Hope you have a good night. Damn. I know, GM Bull. All right, bro. You have a great weekend too. I will see y'all on the weekend for sure. Y'all have a good one. Thank y'all so much for being here. Peace.